Pacie.
Hi.
Today is March 19th, and we're 6 days away from your birthday.
So
Oh, my bad, not 6. 7 days from your birthday.
Wait, so I'm just going to try something. So 9 plus 7 equals 26.
Yes. Are you excited? One whole week until your birthday. Alrighty, so today you're gonna open one of your Ryan surprises from the Pocket Watch Ryan World's Road Trip, exclusively of Amazon. Alrighty, let's go.
Okay, so then we only have 1, 2 actuals.
In that pack, in that row?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, let's go.
Oh my god, I just smashed it open. Oh my god. I really wanted this. And he's in New Mexico.
He is. Oh my goodness.
He's a statue. How can he walk?
Maybe it's like an alien, Ryan? Isn't that cool?
No, an alien looks like that.
Oh, okay. Well, then I don't know. Alrighty. Are you happy you finally got him?
Yeah, let me just show you something. He almost looks like the blue ice cream.
Blueberry ice cream? Alrighty, friends. Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers, Pacie?
Wait, before I go, please, let me just show you something. So, this car and with this Ryan, let's see what he looks like when he's driving the car. Okay? Not again!
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you.